Hello everyone, hope you found doing great. Welcome to Elyas Tech channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to see you all once again. Today I'm going to share one of the very important topic, which is very important. I'm going to save most of your very expensive laptop, because this topic that I'm going to share with all of you. Friend of mine recently, he gave me a call and he said, you know what, my laptop, the recent laptop that I purchased, it's exploded. And he said, what could be the causation and why my laptop? Because it was, but he was very lucky because his laptop was under warranty. He returned it and I gave him some tips. But what could be the causation? Guess what gonna be happen? Why sometime a normal laptop, even the old laptop, but the only thing that most of the time it happen is when the battery is dead. See, right now I have a very live example in here. If you check here, it's a dead battery. When you see your laptop most of the time it's supposed to be flat. Let me see if I can find a laptop in here. So here's the thing, the laptop should be very flat. It should be flat. If you see its bump, or if you see there is a curves, or you see the size, or sometime it pop up from this side or pop up from this side, and you see this side of the laptop it's a little beneath, or this side is beneath and this side is pop up. That is all because the laptop battery is dead. So you need to change the laptop battery. If you don't change the laptop battery, then you will realize my friend's situation. Yeah, he was able to return the laptop, but the thing is that if your laptop is under warranty but you took only for 1 year, but now it has been 2 years that you're using that laptop, my first suggestion is to soon as possible try to find a guide which series of laptop you have, try to open and remove the laptop. You can use a laptop without battery. You can use it direct through the power cable. You can use it that one. I'm not suggesting for the time being, in case if you need, if you have a APC unit or power adapter, or the one like we can say UPS. If you have a UPS or APC unit, plug it to there, so it works the same thing until you receive the order. See, until you receive your battery. I was reading an article, there was another guy, he unfortunately he lost his laptop as well. He said that I ordered the battery, I was waiting for a battery, but before I received the battery, my laptop exploded. So even as dangerous, it may hurt your face or some other part of your body. You have to make sure, don't play with this stuff. When you see this kind of situation has happened in your laptop, you probably need to replace the laptop battery, otherwise then it's dangerous. Right now, what happened with this laptop, it happened with the same situation. I removed it. I recently ordered the battery, but I couldn't wait for like the other guy to until I received the battery, then I will replace it. The moment that I notice that the battery is in this situation, I remove it. Right now I will put the case on it, I will cover it back. Probably you would say that why the battery is getting this kind of situation, why it turned to this kind of situation. Most of the time because we're keeping our we're keeping our laptop in the an abnormal temperature. That's very important. You have to make sure that when, for example, the gamers, the people who are playing a game, we do have a laptop which is specific for gaming. So if you notice, some of them, they have a specific their laptop to keep the laptop cool. And that's why it's heating. If you use more, that's why the processor is it's getting heat and the fan is turned on, and it automatically, the computer itself, the entire laptop will get heat. Top of that, some of the laptop does come with a light. If you know the gaming laptop, so light itself is provided heating, but you have to make sure to keep this laptop, even the tower top, any types of computer that you have, even the smartphone, the smart devices that you have, digital devices, it does require a specific temperature. If the temperature cross over, then of course you're gonna lose that kind of devices. Okay, I hope the information was very helpful, and I don't want to eat up your time as well, and I'm waiting. Please guys, wish me to receive my battery laptop soon as it is possible. But anyway, and I hope the information was very helpful. If you think it was very helpful, please go ahead and share this information with your family, with your colleagues, with whoever you think they are chasing and pursuing this kind of information. The only way to appreciate my work is to simply subscribe my channel and like the video that you really like. Until next time, stay safe, be brave, and of course, see you next time. Okay, here's the live example. If you can see, I just turn on my laptop without battery. There's got only power adapter. Power adapter, and it's working fine. But the good thing is that I'm connecting my laptop through APC unit. It shouldn't have any problem in case of power outage and so on. So this is a temporary solution for the time being until you receive your battery. But yeah, I hope I've learned something. Here's the dead battery. It's gone, and this guy is gone.